He is so hot.
Like, oh my god, I met this guy today and he was so hot. Like, it wasn't even funny. Like, everything about him just turned me on. And then, like, I think he doesn't even know my name and it just makes me wanna go and shake him. What? The glasses are nothing. I'm not gonna shake you with my glasses. But anyways, like, even if he was completely retarded, his hotness totally made up for it. Like, no way. Like, but then he only said like 2 words to me, and it just makes me wanna cry. But anyways, he is so hot. Like, his ugly hair didn't really matter to me, and his ugly colored eyes, it was like whatever, because his body was just so steaming hot. Like, if you poured water on it, you would just see steam boiling off of him. That's how hot he was. Like, if you saw him, you'd just be so amazed and want to, like, go and do stuff to yourself.